Okay.
Y'all say me skinny but me fabulous.
Oh.
Bloody hell crazy when me listen roast.
Yes, I'm skinny but I'm fabulous. Bumbleclad. Run it back.
Y'all say me skinny but me fabulous.
Boom, 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 boom! Banger! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs here with another reaction, aka the Reaction Boss, aka the Reaction Boss. Now we're here with my first Vincent reaction, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. And as we say, people, I'm trying to take over the entire Caribbean everywhere first. Then we take over the whole of yo. People, see if it's the first time on the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel for the most lit reactions from a Jamaican. You understand me? The most lit reaction channel on YouTube right now. The most lit channel on YouTube overall. You understand me? And as I say, I'm trying to take over the entire Caribbean. You see me? So anyway, they really come from here and watch my video right now. Comment your flag in the comment section to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. So if that's not even a good reason to subscribe, you know what else to do? We have to song for everywhere in the Caribbean. You understand me? I try to say? Everywhere. The most lit channel on YouTube. Comment some done yet or them said I go on. People, thanks for checking out the video. Let's get straight to the video right now. So we have Atik. I can't pronounce the name right, but this was recommended to me by someone who's been watching the channel for a minute. I see you guys been spamming the flag, but I didn't know where exactly. You understand? Until I did a little digging and I saw, okay, let's see what's going on for this song. So ready? Run tune! I heard that the props used in this video. Warning. Oh, how go on that song? This look like some place at Jamaica. It's like some place at Jamaica that I go. Like the bushes. We are not saying at Jamaica this. We're born him weed. Man, them on the ends are chill. Alright. Right. Bless up every man. What go on? A boy this. What go on? Is it Jamaica? Oh no, the Vinci flag. I'm gonna say it's a Jamaica flag to third one. Ski mask. Are we that dog? And some good kush. No, hold on, pause. So the bro gotta bring some weed. Come get like him and try to get somewhere. Then I bring peace to you, dog. Gonna bomb down the man ends, dog. Yeah. Go on, we still go for tune now. Run tune. Yeah. No, don't build up weed in the man slip. Build up.
Vince my grow so my head hot.
What?
784 one pledge that.
Okay.
Make beer money for them y'all in the van.
Oh,
you.
What on pause? Bro got say Vince him grow. So him head hot, you know. Then that guy want say, yo, man make beer money and not them girl. I guess so the man, yo, go on.
Me need some spend that.
Yeah.
Real bad boy never take chat.
None at all.
Touch never stop, but me mean that can never waste boy skull at the cheese spot.
Bumbo
Take a bad beach.
The man say, yo, dude said, can't never waste yet. He a crap boy skull because guess what? I just skull at the G spot for the car and them bumbo clean. Run tune.
Me set him up. From in touchy pussy, yeah, she shut him up.
Sure.
Rise up the matic, never fire bottle, no. Car stand no wire and the windy by the door.
Okay.
Sleep in peace to my dogs, them. And R.I.P. to the fake friends. Fuck them girl every damn day. Shut a full him up, light up on a Friday.
Dev.
We leave a stop at the stop sign.
Yeah.
Bullet connect like a Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Man, it's where we grow, so no bother try.
No, hold out. Run back in the tune. Him a go on. Go on now.
Take a bad beach and me set him up.
Yeah.
From in touchy pussy, yeah, she shut him up.
Yeah.
Rise up the matic, never fire bottle, no.
Yeah.
Car stand no wire and the windy by the door.
Okay.
Sleep in peace to my dogs, them. And R.I.P.
To
to
my
the
fake
fake
friends.
Fuck damn
Every
day.
day.
Shut full him up like tap up on a Friday.
Oh, wait
With
up.
Davey
People convince you. Where's Tapper? Is that a club or something? Is that a club or a place where people get them in and know? Run back in that tune. Go on.
Stop at the stop sign.
Yeah.
Bully connect like a Wi-Fi.
Bully connect like Wi-Fi.
Man, this where we grow, so nobody try like boy, die. Shot get a rhythm.
Hold on, no. Trinidad. Them not Trinidad. They're Trinidad. Cause die. Pussy will get shot from boy. You know, chopping up a red tune.
Get a 22 name demon.
Yeah.
Pull up now the car on the region. Which one sell out? Your friend who is a bitch done fuck. Place look bloody, that's a artwork.
Oh!
Call the pussy Stevie, my wonder.
Yeah.
After every line is a thunder.
Bumbucker, hold on. The place bloody is a artwork. You did me and say? Bumbucker, hold on. After every lightning is a thunder. Yo, go on.
A 22 name demon. Pull up now the car on the region. Which one sell out? Your friend who is a bitch done fuck. Place look bloody, that's a artwork. Call the pussy Stevie, my wonder.
Yeah.
After every line is a thunder.
Deaf?
But I feel me like a liar.
Okay.
Y'all say me skinny but me fabulous.
Oh!
Bloody hell crazy when me listen rouse.
Yes, I'm skinny but I'm fabulous. Bumbucker! Run it back.
Y'all say me skinny but me fabulous. Bloody hell crazy when me listen rouse.
Yeah.
Fireman get the man rolling pan the ground, right place, right time, so me kill the man done. Boom. Here are a bust like a bamboo.
Yeah.
It's like you don't put that
But we
like
like
Samsung.
bumbucker. Because myself when I do hard rap. Yo, the man say air a bust like a bamboo. Blood clear run tune.
A bamboo, it's a lick you don't put that it like Samsung.
Yeah.
No square box rectangle.
Yeah.
Four long like the hip and Rapunzel.
What?
Get a 17
Yeah, but
with a scope on.
bumbucker.
9X pretty Kim that she on.
Yeah.
New Year's more tears, please. This a man.
Yeah.
Do it easy evil when me get the nozzle on.
Yeah.
Make me mama proud that I goes out.
Yeah.
Anything me do me have to go hard.
Yeah.
While Louis V and go, yeah.
Hold on. See right now, if you're at the party that get nah shake your head or you nah bob your head to the song. You hear me I say, you come out of my party. When say if you're at the party, you will have vibes with me right now. Watch your style.
Samsung, no square box rectangle.
Yeah.
Four long like the hip and Rapunzel.
Yeah.
Get a 17 with a scope on.
Bow.
9X pretty Kim that she on.
Gang.
New Year's more tears, please. This a man do it easy evil when me get the nozzle on. Make me mama
Proud that I goes the bumbuckler.
Anything me do me have to go
Yeah.
hard. While Louis V and go, yeah.
Yeah.
Exotic cars and living on my own, yeah.
Oh.
Living with dream, them fear we.
Yeah.
Wonder if the pussy them here we.
Wonder.
Get pretty girls pan the daily.
John
After
will
we
get
done
pretty
fuck,
girls for the
babe.
deal. They must say, wonder if pussy them fear him. But the man say, if I accomplish him goals, I come him bumbuckler. Make mama pour out dog. A goals dog. Yo, go on.
So heal me. Tell them this. Living with dreams. Remember we wild and mean.
Okay.
Bust be a gun and fuck be a gal in the scheme. That's how the thing
Go.
go. R.I.P. to me dog them. Touch never stop, that a torment. If me say a word, then a word in. That's how the thing go. So me head hot.
Yeah.
7 year fool, one pledge that.
Yeah.
Make beer money, fuck them gal in the van dog. And me deal for meds that. Cash coming in, so me spend that.
Cash coming in,
Real
so
bad
spend
boy,
that.
never take chat.
Yeah.
Touch never stop, and me mean that. Can never waste boy skull at the G-spot.
Like
Take
a
a
phone when
bad
people have
bitch
them.
and me set him up.
Just the man
From
who
him
can
touch your
take
pussy,
him
yeah, she shut him up. Rise up the matic, never fire battle, no. Cars stand no wire and the windy by the door. Sleep in peace to my dogs.
Them.
And R.I.P. to the fake friends.
Fake friend them,
Fuck
nah.
them
But
girl
nah, like,
every
thank
damn
God.
day. Shut up, full him up.
Thank
Light
God.
up on a Friday.
And as usual, see if we get to post a video. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. And remember, subscribe to the channel for more lit entertainment if you're your first time over here. So this is the most lit channel on YouTube right now. And I'm checking over the entire Caribbean. You understand me? The entire Caribbean. Voila. The man say, so just subscribe to the channel for more lit videos. Comment some more songs from St. Vincent. You know I'm check out the man say. I'll be sure to do it. You know me? Like the video. Spam the like button. And the thing for my channel. So the come to my channel. Wipe on the comment again. But this one come on my channel, guys. Fire emojis. That's all I want to say in the comment section. Fire. Be a fire emoji. I don't know it's chopping now. Pick up on yourself, though. I'm checking out the reaction, boss. I'm out.